the world. Not a SAF meet. Not a SAF meet. We're now looking at the start of one more event. This is the 5,000 meters for the men, which has just got underway. The meet record is S. Singh at Kochi, 14 minutes 10.77. We still continue to talk with MD Valsalma out here. In the lead at this point is Mohit Chaudhary, the under 20, 14 minutes 09.71 meet record at Bhubaneswar. And then we also have Prince Kumar from Saharanpur in India. Prince Kumar, a gold in Ranchi at this very ground in September. He won the 10,000 meters. That's Mohit Chaudhary, and along with him is Prince Kumar. It'll go on for a long time, and also gives me an opportunity to talk to MD Valsama. The lead in the very beginning, a different strategy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, a different strategy.
Yes, sir.
So it will be between these two.
These two.
Mohit Chaudhary. I saw a lot of him. We were live on the AFI channel when he won the gold in Bhubaneswar in the 5,000 and the 10,000 meters.
Yes, sir.
And we also have Prince Kumar, a gold in Ranchi, All India Police Meet, the 5 kilometers as well.
Oh,
Well, amazing strategy here for
Yes,
these
yes.
two.
these two are dominating, I think.
So, I asked you this question. Unlike the 100, the 200, and the 400, the 5,000, with the temperatures now dipping a little bit in Ranchi, ideal for the 5,000 meters?
Yes, sir. Ideal for the 5,000 meters and 10,000 meters. Yes.
So the two are pulling away. This combination of the two Indians. The field out here in the men, Vikraj Waksan of Sri Lanka, Ganesh Rawat of Nepal, Dichan Ugyan of Bhutan, Mukesh Bahadur Pal of Nepal, the two Indians, Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary, Amin of Bangladesh, and Gwawa Zangpo of Bhutan. 8 of them started off. None of the others, MD, are seen on their picture frame. Only these two.
These two.
The others are now coming in. This, I suspect, will be 1 and 2 for the Indians.
Yes, sir.
So looks as if the first gold medal. Here is the other Indian, 185, Prince Kumar of Saharanpur, representing India.
First one is leading.
Now moving ahead. You got to have a different strategy. You start off with, was there any particular reason why you took to the 400 hurdles as a specialty? In your case?
I was a 100 meters hurdler. Then I have a endurance also, and I was running 400 meters also. So I took over for my 400 meters hurdles.
Was it easy to change from the 100 hurdles to the 400 hurdles?
If the endurance is there, no problem.
No
sir. We
problem.
can.
That's right.
Because every relay, 400 meters we are running, 200 meters we are running.
Now look at this. Back to the 5,000
Nice.
meters. Yes. It's going to be a cat and mouse game. I think Mohit Chaudhary might turn around and say, my time has come now. But Prince Kumar will obviously want to push him. They're going in for 3 minutes 45 right now. So virtually a long way to go. The senior record is 13:11.82 at Niigata in Japan. And let me remind you that record I'm talking of is by a SAF athlete anywhere in the world. Japan is not a SAF country, so that record was set by a SAF athlete in another part of the world. The meet record in 2008, 14 minutes 10.77 by S. Singh at Kochi. A wonderful place, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Kochi is.
Is that your favorite place?
Kochi. Yes, sir. In Kerala, it is a best place, sir.
Any memories of your performance in Kochi?
No, sir. No, sir. At that time, Kochi stadium has not come up.
Not come up.
Yeah.
Now they have a beautiful stadium.
Yeah, it's built for stadium.
It's still the two Indians, absolutely neck to neck, not much to choose. Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. As I did mention, under 20, 14 minutes 09.71. If he does manage to clock that time, he might break the meet record. But Prince Kumar is not one to give up. He's right now in the lead. They are virtually...
We can see the sprint in the last.
That's right. Yes, they still have quite some time to go. This is the 5,000 meters. Plenty of endurance that they need. Valsama has been talking of the word endurance. Today, endurance sports has become very popular.
Yes, sir.
Far end here at the Birsa Munda Football Stadium, hosted the national games. Well, sometimes when you are neck to neck, you are from the same country. Do you turn around and talk to each other?
No, not at all, sir.
Uh, now look at Mohit Chaudhary.
Yes,
Do you then say we are friends? We are friends outside the field, but out here it's me and you, each against the other.
yeah, rivalry is definitely, sir.
Rivalry. That's the word.
Yeah,
Rivalry.
yeah.
You can have a dinner together after the event is over,
Definitely, sir.
but not on the
The
field.
ground,
On the ground,
rivals.
rivals.
Yeah. We're
Who
running for the country.
you're running for the
Yes.
country?
There's
Absolutely.
no friendship there.
No friendship. Yes. सब भाईबंदी फील्ड के बाहर में.
Yes, sir. Bahar mein we are close friends.
Close
Big
friends. Yes, it's still a battle there between these two, Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. The strategy is very clear. The two decided that, the two don't seem to be having much of a competition.
No,
MD.
They are practicing together. No?
They're
Then
practicing
definitely they
together.
knows the-
Yeah, but when you don't have competition from the others,
Ah.
do you then tend to take it slightly easy?
No. Definitely these two are there. No, they are tight competition.
Yes, tight competition. The others trying to now catch up, but I don't think that's going to be possible. They are halfway through out here. We still got 7 more laps to go. So that's plenty of time.
Yes, sir.
Plenty of time. 7 laps for these two athletes to go here in the 5,000 meters. How easy or difficult is it for the 5,000 meter athletes to switch to the 3,000 meter steeplechase? Is it easy? I don't remember Avinash Sable 3,000 meter steeplechase.
No, sir. They have a 5,000 meters endurance is there. Then definitely 3,000 meters steeplechase they can do.
They can do. That's
Absolutely no
right.
problem,
That's
sir.
right. Yes,
They have a more endurance.
they are more endurance. This is an event
When
where
we have a running 400 meters, we have to do practice 6,000 meters and 5,000.
Yes.
500 meters, 6,000.
6,000,
600
600
meters run.
meters,
Yes.
which is what they now do at
Yes,
the
yes, sir.
junior nationals.
Yes, sir.
When you look at these two boys, one name which comes to mind is Surinder Singh,
Yes.
represented the Garhwal Rifles, held the national record in the 5,000 and the 10,000, comes from the Garhwal region. Saranpur, one boy. The other is Mohit Chaudhary. Two wonderful athletes running in the India colors. What a moment it is when you wear those colors, Valsama.
These colors, from the beginning, it was the same
Yeah,
colors
but when
of
you wear those
India.
colors, it's such a proud moment.
Yeah, definitely the proud moment for we are running for India,
Y-
our country.
You're running for India, yes. We now have 5 laps to go. Let me remind you, it's the two Indians up there, which is Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. Incidentally, when you talk of the 5,000 meters, well, just going back to this event, the 5,000 meters, where we have had the Ethiopians, the Moroccans,
Correct, sir.
the Kenyans, all of them who done so well in the 5,000 meters. Joseph Cheptegei of Uganda, that's another country which has done well in the 5,000 meters.
See, other two boys are not bad.
Yes. And they don't look as if they are tired at all. Looking over each other's shoulders.
Yeah, other two boys are on the back side. Sir.
Yes, the lead is now being
Lead is
narrowed
a-
down.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Come down,
good.
Come down.
The
Yes,
Sri
yes,
Lankan
yes.
now. Oh, look at the Sri Lankan now.
Oh. See, only hardly 10 to 15 meters only.
Yes, that's the Sri Lankan Viknaraj Waksan.
Ah.
We've got 4 laps to go. Are we looking at a surprise?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There's a
Then Nepal.
there's a Nepalese boy out there in the middle. That's the two of them, Ganesh Rawat and Mukesh Bahadur Pal. We all thought that the Indians might just walk away with this.
No, no, no.
That's the beauty of sports.
Differences. Come down.
We still have 4
Close,
laps.
They are close, very close now.
Yes, extremely close. The Nepalese there is the second of them. That's Mukesh Bahadur Pal. But these two are not going to give up. Mohit Chaudhary and Prince Kumar. Nepal through Mukesh Bahadur and Waksan of Sri Lanka. And when you have
Their
events,
running is face was a little fast now.
yes, catching up now.
Catch
Catch me if you can is the mantra for these two Indians. 3 laps to go, which means 1,200 meters. Anyone's race now. Anyone's race now.
Yes. There,
Valsama, I'm sure the crowd must be worried.
really.
And those who are watching this live telecast must be worried.
Uh,
You know, I was about to say that the gold and the silver is going to India.
We can't predict anything, sir.
Yes,
Anything can happen.
anything can happen in sports. Who better to tell you that than Valsama? 400 hurdles. Have you had a situation like this?
Yes, in
Where-
the Asian Games, sir. Asian Games, 82 Asian Games, में up to 10th hurdle, they were leading. Japanese and Chinese were leading. Then only in the run-up, I catch up.
Wonderful, wonderful. There you are. How can you forget that event? Yes,
Yes,
how can
sir.
you forget? And what was it that made you catch up? Inner strength?
Inner strength, definitely, sir. Because I know the Japanese and Chinese are,
2 to go now. 2 laps to go now. 800 meters.
oh,
Oh, what a fascinating event. What more can you ask for? What an event this is turning out. Yes,
oh, yes.
it's the Nepalese now. Mukesh Bahadur Pal. The advantage, Valsama, I think, of training at high altitudes for the Nepalese.
Definitely, sir. That's advantage is there, sir.
So one of the Indians now dropping to 3.
Oh.
The Sri Lankan Waksan also close on the heels. The lead now with Prince Kumar. He'll have to get all his energy out here.
Okay.
Well, there you are. There you are. Is it going to be an Indian? Or will it be the Nepalese? Will it be 2 Indians? What more can you ask for?
Oh,
Here comes.
one more.
So we are now into the last lap. 400 meters to go from here on. The bell will now go. There goes the bell.
last round.
400 meters.
Yes. They have to sprint.
Yes.
And only, yes. They have to start sprint.
They have to start sprinting. That's what Valsama says. The Indian starts doing it.
Ah.
That is, I think, Prince Kumar. Yes, look at him, the boy from Saharanpur.
Oh, others are catching up.
The others are oh yes.
It's a very competitive.
Well, I love this. Valsama is doing helping me with the commentary out here. He looks over his shoulders.
He is back. Oh, good. See, he's leading, sir.
The sprint now comes
Yeah,
from
they have to
Mukesh.
sprint. Come on.
Yes, that's the word. Come on for the Indian. The Nepalese boy
Oh,
and
last
the
home,
Sri
sir.
Lankan.
Homes, they have to run all out. Yes.
What a race.
Yeah,
What a
he's
race.
Good. He's running fast. Very good.
Yes.
Great, sir.
So Prince Kumar takes the gold. Sri Lanka
came silver.
with Waksan takes the silver.
Our boy in the 4th.
And well, the favorite, I thought,
They had done
Mohit
very well,
Chaudhary.
sir.
Sometimes the favorites also get beaten. Yeah, what a race this turned out to be.
Superb done.
So if you get races, Valsama, of this nature, the live telecast becomes interesting. The spectators
Thank you,
love
sir.
this. And then the
Others are
finish.
one round behind.
Yes, 1 round behind, absolutely.
Ah.
Which means that the 1, 2, 3 athletes have even gone and relaxed. The Indian flag there comes up. This is the last of the athletes who will now finish the event.
Yeah, Indian flag is flying, sir.
The flag there, yes, the tricolor. Later on, the national flag will go up. The national anthem will be played.
National anthem, sir. Yes.
Tell us the moment when you won a gold and then the national flag went up.
Oh my God. It was a great moment, sir. Once I started the victory lap,